it's me. My name is Moya and I am the face behind Baddies in the Bag. I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself officially to you guys. I know that you guys have seen me, well, heard me speaking in my videos, and y'all are pretty much acquainted with my hands. So I just wanted to come and put a face to the name, to the brand for you guys, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Also, I do have a personal vlogging channel. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can head on down into the description and touch that link and subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little backstory of how I started Baddie in the Bag, and also just a little bit about me. I feel like you guys have heard my voice and everything, but let me just put a face to everything. You know, probably I can do a little talk video probably every Wednesday or something, where I come on here and we have a little conversation. I don't know. I just wanted to officially introduce myself to you. So as you guys already know, I am Jamaican, 100% Jamaican. I was born in Jamaica and I migrated to the United States of America in around 2017, and I think I was around the age of 19 when I came here. America is very, very different from the island. Like, if you are from the Caribbean, then you know what I'm saying. There are pros and cons, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that America is different in a bad way. I'm just saying it's very different here. You know, a lot of times when I speak, my accent just jump out, or I just be mixing up certain words in some sentences. I don't know if you guys realize that, but I do that. I kind of still struggle sometimes with like speaking Americanized, but I think it's cute. A lot of people also commented saying that it's cute. They think it's cute as well, so we're not going to kill ourselves about that too much. Yeah, this is me. I do want to come on here though and talk about how great you guys have been and how much of a support I've received from you guys in such a short period of time. Like, literally, I started this channel in March. I think around March 1st was when I actually, I'm not about to go on the channel and go figure out what date, but I know for sure it's around March, April that I posted my first video on here. And to be honest with you, like, I never really thought that this could like blow up like this, to be honest. Like, I really thought it's gonna take me some time to get where I'm really trying to go, because like I've mentioned multiple times, I'm not a stranger to YouTube. Okay, and I've never really gotten anywhere, so I wasn't really expecting to be here where I'm at today in this short period of time. If someone told me that this was gonna happen, I would have told them they're crazy, literally. But I'm so grateful for all the support that I've received. I'm telling you, like, you guys are game changers. Like, you just changed the whole game for me, honestly, and I want to thank you guys so much. Can y'all hear my boyfriend? Can y'all hear him? And I told him I'm doing a video. Jonas, you're being loud. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So yeah, it's like, I'm no stranger to YouTube. Okay, I've tried this thing so many different times. Knowing that it was hard to grow and hard to get up there, I wasn't really expecting to get to such a certain amount of subscribers and get to so much views and get monetized and all that so quick. Like, I was in shock, but I couldn't have done that without you guys. Obviously, I'm doing something right on my channel that you guys like, and I'm going to continue to do that. I know I've been a little MIA, but I have so much going on. Well, I had from 4th of July week, it wasn't the week. Okay, from even before that was my boyfriend's birthday, so y'all know I wasn't really home, and then a 4th of July sale, and I had to come home and make every single order by myself. So it was a really hectic week for me, and plus I'm going to school taking Spanish. I ain't gotta say nothing else, y'all already know I'm taking Spanish, y'all. Okay, so this is a completely different language from what I speak, so understand the struggle here. It has been really busy. Y'all know I pre-record my videos. I ran out of pre-recorded videos and I didn't have a I didn't get a chance to make one because I was redoing my whole little space. Don't worry, the videos are coming back. My space is complete. If you guys want to see the vlog, jump on my personal channel. The link is in the description. Subscribe, and the vlog for the whole makeover is gonna be over there if it's not there already. So subscribe to the channel, y'all. Show your girl some love like you have been on here. I love you guys. I know all of you guys have questions. Might have questions, I don't know. But if you have questions, I want you guys to leave them in the comments section below. I'm gonna do another face-to-face. You know, I'm gonna come face-to-face again with you guys. So if you have questions, I'm thinking about doing a Q&A video. So you guys can drop your questions below and I will do a Q&A video answering your questions that you might have about anything about cash stuffing, whatever. It doesn't matter. Drop your questions below and I'll answer the questions. It's so much to say. Like, do I just say everything in one video or do I just do different videos with different topics? I don't know. Yeah, I kind of just wanted to introduce myself to you guys, tell you guys how Baddies in the Bag came about. I started the channel like I was saying, which I've done straight from the topic like 3 times. But it's fine, we're gonna get there. I literally was on YouTube one day, to be honest, because I come on YouTube mostly to watch Jamaican pranksters. I was on YouTube watching a pranking video from one of my favorite channels to watch, and I saw something come up that says recommended, and I was like, I saw a whole bunch of money. And I was like, ooh, why would I not want to find out what this is? So I touched on it. To be honest with you guys, I never knew what cash stuffing was until this day, which is around in February sometime. So I touched on the video. It was with Baddies and Budget, I think. And I touched on the video and I started to watch the video and I was just like, so that's how you got all this cash. Maybe I should do too. I want cash too. That's when the cash stuffing idea came to me. I never knew at that moment that I was going to make it into a YouTube channel. I never knew that yet. So I started to order binders on Amazon and started putting the little things together. If you guys look at my first ever video that I posted on here, then you guys will see the starter binders. Those are what I started off with. And I started to do it too. You know, I watched more of her videos and I learned how to do it. I did my own little research as well and I started the process. And then I decided, why not make a YouTube and just record it? I was like, I don't even care if it doesn't go anywhere, but you know, it might be someone out there is gonna see my video just like I saw hers and you know, will get motivated to start too if they're struggling as well. So that's when I decided, let me just record and get on here and do it. I've always had a camera because like I say all the time, I'm not new to YouTube. I've done this before. I am always into cameras and talking on cameras and recording stuff and doing this and doing that on camera. It was nothing for me really. I literally just set up my camera on my little desk tripod and I just recorded my process, posted my first video. It just took off and I was like, whoa, people are really interested in money. That's how I literally started the channel. Why I decided to call it Baddies and the Bag, let me tell y'all where that come from. Since I've known myself so much of a fashionista, makeup person, y'all know I'm a makeup artist. I love clothes, I love dressing up, I love to do all those things. So I've always called myself Baddie, always. On my Instagram name was Moya Baddie. My names on social media always be having Baddie in them somewhere. I've decided, okay, I'm a baddie. And I'm a girl who loves to hustle. I'm a hustler. I'm a Capricorn, okay? The hustler was made in me before I even knew it. I just love to get a bag. And if you ask any of my friends or any co-workers that I used to have who really know me, then they'll tell you Moya is all about that bag. They'll say it all the time. Girl, I know you all about that bag. If they call me, they'll be like, girl, I saw you doing this, I saw you doing that. I know you're all about that bag. I was like, period. So everyone know I'm all about a bag all the time. I'm always hustling and, you know, trying to get the bag. That's where I came up with baddie, because I am a baddie, and the bag. That's how that name came about. So I decided to go with that. I love pink. I used to love purple. Well, I used to love pink first, had my daughter, turned me off from pink, never liked pink for a moment, went to purple, now I'm back to pink. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell? That's how the pink theme came about. That's how Baddies in the Bag came about, and that's how the whole thing started. It just took off, and it couldn't have taken off without you guys, and that's why I'm so grateful for all the support that you guys give. And you guys are the best, okay? Like the absolute best. I don't know. I've been talking to my boyfriend sometimes, like, babe, the people on YouTube, they are something else. Like, they literally give you so much love as if they know you. That's crazy. Like, you guys be giving me more support than people I've known for years, or like some of my friends. Honestly, it's crazy. It's shocking. So I'm really like super grateful for all the love and all the support that you guys give me. Like, you don't even know it. Like, I don't even know what to say at this point. I'm just like shocked. I'm still in shock. Like, I haven't gotten over the shock yet. I'm literally almost at 4K subscribers, and I literally just started this channel 4 months. Wow. I can't get over it. You guys are just awesome. I love you. I'm not gonna cry. Oh my God. Listen, I'm a woman of the Lord, okay? And I'm telling you guys, when I started the channel, I honestly just went with God. You know, I pray to him all the time, and everything I do, I go with him. So I asked him to come with me on this journey and do this for me, and he literally did this for me. See, I'm not one to cry. I'm very weird with showing my emotions when it comes to crying. But really and truly, I feel like crying right now because it's a blessing. Honestly, it's a blessing. And you guys have been blowing up my shop. You guys have been working me, literally, like working me. I'm gonna stress that part, working me. I'm gonna need to hire somebody soon to help me out, because this is too much. It's too much. You guys have been working me. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. I'm happy. I'm thankful. I don't know how to thank you guys enough. Like, you guys are amazing. It's wonderful, you know. I'm on my cash stuffing journey. You're on your cash stuffing journey. We are all here on our journey, and we are going to get to our goal sooner than you think. The only thing that I can say is to keep staying consistent, and if you mess up at any time, it's okay, because you guys know we're not perfect, right? We're humans. We make mistakes all the time. No one's perfect, and even other people who make it seem like they're perfect, they're not either. It's okay to slip up sometimes. Keep going. As long as you keep going, consistency is key here. It doesn't matter the situation that you're in. I want you guys to understand that you can change your life financially with cash stuffing. I believe that deeply, because it has done so many changes for me in 4 months, that I look at myself and I say, what can this thing do for me in a year or 2? You know, like, it has done so much for me. I can't even begin to say how much it's done. So I know for a fact that it works. If you haven't started it as yet and you're trying to wonder if you should, give it a try. If you have been doing it, you already know the results. And if you are new to it, keep going. I know you already seen changes. I love you guys so much. I can't say that anymore. You guys are very positive and supportive, and I'm very thankful for all of you. I know I've been a little back on responding to comments, but like I said, I have been pretty busy, but now I'm going to have the time to do that. I am going to be responding to more comments now that I have some time to do things. I'm getting back into my regular groove of life, so now I'll be back responding to all my comments. Y'all know me, I love to respond to my comments, okay? Those are people talking to me. Why would I not respond? I was also thinking about making a group chat, you know, for us ladies. Let's talk over there. Let's talk about money. Let's help each other in whatever ways that we can. Wherever we have one person have more knowledge, can share with the other person. Let's build each other up. It's all about woman empowerment. Let's power up, ladies. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys like the videos like this. I will do more if you like them. If not, I'll just stick to the hands. But let me know down below in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to my vlogging channel and subscribe to this one as well if you haven't already done that. And along with subscribing, I would love it and appreciate it if you guys share the video as well. Just like how you guys find me and I'm helping you in some way, I can help your friends, I can help your family as well. So make sure that you're sharing the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Blessed up all the time, and I love all of y'all. Bye.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count